Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 5 of my favorite and helpful kitchen appliances that I'm using to make my cooking easy. Indian kitchens thrive on fresh food preparations where we try to limit the consumption of packaged food. But to churn those simple yet scrumptious and soul-touching meals, day after day demands dedication, time and discipline. Confession time. I never enjoyed cooking earlier and I still don't much. Earlier we had a help at home to cook, but for about last 2 years I am cooking myself and yes, all the meals. To start with, I was slow and uncoordinated. I would spend almost 3 to 4 hours every day just for cooking and leaving limited time for other activities. Over the time as I learned, I got faster. I started to apply meal planning and meal preparation techniques. I invested to take help of machines and tools. And now I rarely spend more than 30 minutes for each meal preparation. I will be frank, I've still not reached a stage where I started enjoying making meals. But at the same time, I've certainly reached a point wherein cooking as a daily chore is not a burden on me anymore. Idea of making this video is just to introduce you with some of these helpful products that I've been using for quite some time now. And this video is not sponsored by any brand. Now let's get started. In my meal planning video, a lot of you asked me about this electric curd maker. I have been using this for quite some time and I love it. It helps me in making fresh and thick homemade curd every day. This comes with a steel bowl inside. To make curd, you just need to add a spoon of curd or jamun and then add milk in room temperature. You don't need to warm it up. It will choose the right warming temperature by itself and warm the milk. Stir a bit, close the lids and switch it on. After 5 to 6 hours, your delicious curd will be ready. Bangalore temperature is such that here some days curd will be made easily and some days it is so difficult. Good tool for winters and cold places where making homemade curd is difficult. But if you are living in a hot place, it may not be needed. I bought this food processor in lockdown mainly for kneading a dough, and since then it has become an essential part of my cooking. Usually all the food processors come with different accessories for chopping and grating vegetables and kneading dough. This is just a food processor and I didn't buy any grinding jars as I already have a separate mixer grinder. It is a helpful appliance if you have large family or at the time of gatherings, chopping, grating, slicing is a cakewalk. Its big container is not good to chop small quantity of veggies. I personally use it mainly for kneading the dough for chapatis. It kneads well for everyday chapatis or parathas. You can make this type of dough as well as for making breads. It has a capacity to knead 500 grams of flour at a time. One-man army of my kitchen is this versatile and helpful hand blender and chopper. It can do lot of things. It comes with this chopping jar to chop anything like veggies, nuts, etc. One can choose how fine veggies need to be chopped. Very convenient for daily cooking. It also comes with this blender to make smoothies, shakes, cold coffees, etc. I find it very useful for blending spinach and tomato onion tadka. When spinach is hot, it is difficult to put it in the grinder. But with this blender, one can directly blend it in the same cooker or pan even while it is hot. Same way one can blend tomato onion tadka. Attachment tool whisker adds convenience to make homemade fresh butter. It makes it really fast. Also great for whisking eggs, making pancake batter, buttermilk, etc. New and interesting recipes can be made faster with its help. This product has been a great addition to my kitchen. Next is this beautiful egg boiler in which you can boil 7 eggs at a time. Well, I know you must be thinking, why do we need an egg boiler when we can boil eggs easily on gas stove? Yes, we can. But this tool saves your time and dedicated attention. You just need to add water at the base, and water quantity will take care of soft, medium or hard-boiled preferences. You don't have to monitor. Once done, it will switch off by itself. It also comes with this bowl in which you can make poached eggs or steamed veggies. I've also tried steaming a couple of potatoes in this and it worked. It is very convenient for busy people, bachelors and students who live in hostels. Last but not the least is this hand mixer. Some of you would be aware of it, especially those who bake. This is a helpful tool for bakers to prepare cake mix, whipped cream, etc. But other than its prime functions, the beater can be used for making butter from malai, whisking eggs, making buttermilk, etc. I also use it for making besan curry. It blends the curd and besan smoothly. No lumps at all. That was all about few of my cooking assistants. Do you have any favorite appliance that help you to cook fast? Please do let us know in the comment section. All the product links are given in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.